Understanding Epson printer ink issues.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to explore a question that troubles many users of Epson printers. Is it common for Epson printers to not print with full ink?
Do Epson printers often fail to print despite having full ink?
As with all technology, it's not uncommon to occasionally experience some issues. In this case, your Epson printer may fail to print even though it appears to have full ink. While this is not a widespread problem that affects every Epson printer, it does happen to a number of users. However, it's essential to know that this doesn't necessarily indicate a faulty printer or a common flaw with Epson's products.
What causes this problem?
The issue can occur due to various reasons. For instance, the printer may not be correctly recognizing the ink cartridges, despite them being full. This issue can be due to the chips on the cartridges not interfacing properly with the printer. Sometimes, dried ink on the printhead nozzles can also block the ink flow, giving the impression that the printer is not printing despite having full ink. Another common issue is if the printer has been inactive for a long time. In this case, the printer might experience problems recognizing the cartridges or dispensing the ink correctly.
How can we resolve this issue?
There are several steps you can take to fix this issue. First, try removing and reinserting the cartridges to ensure they're correctly placed. You might also want to try cleaning the printhead nozzles using the printer software. For printers that have been inactive for long periods, consider performing a printhead cleaning or a nozzle check to restore normal function. So, while it's not a common problem per se, some Epson printer users do experience issues with their printers not printing despite having full ink. However, this is often a solvable problem that doesn't necessarily indicate a significant flaw with the printer. Proper maintenance and troubleshooting steps can typically get your printer back in working order. Thank you for joining us for this video, and we hope it's been informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more solutions and tech insights.